In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Squarespace website, whether you're launching your personal blog, a business portfolio, or an online store. Getting your site live is an exciting step in sharing your work with the world. Let's walk through the hot process step by step to make sure your website is accessible to everyone. First, begin by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your site. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. This is where we can access the specific controls needed to publish your site. By clicking Settings, you'll enter a menu with diverse customization options tailored to your website's needs. Next, we want to focus on site availability. This section allows you to control whether your site is live or if it needs adjustments before going live. After clicking on Site Availability, you'll see an option labeled Upgrade to Publish. This feature is essential because to make your site public, you will need to select a plan. Squarespace offers several plans that cater to different needs, so it's important to choose one that best fits your intentions and budget. Review the details of each plan to understand what's included. Once you decide on a plan, click on Select. This action leads you to another significant choice, selecting your billing cycle. Whether you prefer monthly or annual payments, this step ensures your billing preferences align with your financial planning. After selecting the plan and billing cycle, proceed by clicking Confirm Selection. At this point, you'll be prompted to provide your payment information. Accurate entry of this data ensures a smooth transition from designing your site to launching it. Fill in your payment details carefully, taking a moment to double-check everything before moving to the next step. Once everything is set and you are satisfied with the entered details, click on Save and Continue. This action finalizes your subscription and gets your site ready to be published. Congratulations, your Squarespace website is now live and ready for the world to see. Remember, keeping your site updated and occasionally reviewing your plan's benefits can ensure you continue to provide visitors with the best experience. If you ever need to revisit any of these settings, you can always return to the Settings menu. Thank you for watching, and I hope your website launch is a resounding success. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more of our guides to enhance your online presence.